I'm Maya Wilson. Today we're going to make Alaska smoked salmon pot pie with chive drop biscuits from my new book, the Alaska from Scratch Cookbook, which is available wherever books are sold. In Alaska, smoked salmon is a prized possession in our kitchens and in our homes. It's the way that we preserve salmon to last through the long winter. The first thing we're going to do is melt some butter in a cast iron skillet. I love to use a cast iron skillet for my pot pie because you can transfer it straight from the stovetop into the oven. Then we're gonna add our onions to the pan with the butter. Oh, love that sound. Once your onions are fragrant and tender, we are gonna add some flour to the pan. We're going to add in our chicken broth. And then we add the milk. Once you have your filling all simmered down and thickened, we're going to add our peas and carrots. We're going to add some fresh chopped chives to the mix. And we're going to add some lemon zest. And that is just going to cut through the smoke and bring a little acidity and sunshine to the party. Now that we have all our vegetables and herbs in here and it's all thickened up, we're going to add our smoked salmon. Just flake it off into your pot pie in big chunks like that. All right, now we're ready to drop our dough right on top of our filling. I like to start in the middle and work my way around. All right, we pulled this out of the oven and it's bubbly and golden. This is our Alaska smoked salmon pot pie with chive drop biscuits.